In this video, I'll show you how to delete a repository on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository you want to delete. Before you continue, make sure you no longer need the repository, because deleting it permanently removes the repository, its issues, pull requests, and other associated data. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. Scroll all the way down until you reach the Danger Zone section. Now, find the Delete this repository option and click Delete this repository. GitHub will display a warning explaining that this action cannot be undone. After that, type the full repository name exactly as GitHub requests. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletion. Once you've entered the correct repository name, click Delete this repository to permanently remove it. Finally, wait a few moments while GitHub processes your request. Once the deletion is complete, the repository will no longer appear in your account, and anyone trying to access it will no longer be able to view it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a repository on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.